Now, as we've done all these jaw exercises and the leg exercises, we're going to go into knee bends. So we're going to cool down a little bit before a little more is coming. So let's do it first in Pilates V, and then let's do it in parallel. So we're going to get to our knee bends. Again, we stand in our optimal tuned in position, and we're going to bend our knees over our second toe. We are lengthened in the back of our sacrum, and we're pulled up in our pubic bone, and we draw our inner thighs together. Kathy Grant used to say, if your inner thighs would get to know each other, they might like each other. So let's see if they like each other, drawing together. One more time down. And again, drawing your heels together as your inner thighs draw together. That same exercise is done parallel. Let's go into parallel. We can bend. Think of your back gliding down the wall, and you come back up. So again, you are bending, staying against that wall with your shoulders open, with your pubic bone up and your coccyx down, and to return, feel that you are pressing through your heels, which will return your forces up. So we're not bending and stretching. That's not the exercise. We are pressing our energy into the grounds, and feel how your heels are returning you back up with the force that you're emitting into the grounds. So an excellent exercise for you to strengthen your thighs in a very safe, in a very tracking way. If you have people who have any knee issues and need to get their legs stronger, and the lunges might be a little more difficult, a little more advanced for people, this is the one you do and you introduce them to.